So, very, very warm welcome to the opening night of the Indian Film Festival in Berlin here. It's a pleasure to have you. We're all very excited for your directorial debut, The Mehta Boys. Can you tell us how, after all these years in the film industry, the debut came now?
I want to know what you mean by after all these years. Are you telling me, am I too old to make a debut?
We were expecting it earlier.
Nah, the thing was, yeah, I would have liked to have made the film earlier, but when the script did not come in time or it was not prepared in time, I was not prepared to make probably my one and only, on my time, when I thought it was right, when I thought it was fit. So, and I do everything so slow, in my own sweet way, right? At 44, I became an actor. At 35, I became a photographer. At 65, I become a director and a writer. Why not?
I did hear a one and only. I hope it's not the only.
No, I'm joking. No. I'm already working on 2 more.
Wonderful.
Yes.
Yeah, and it also touches upon a really beautiful relationship of a father and son, I believe. Would you tell us a little more about the motivation of the story itself?
So, there is a lot of conflict between fathers and sons. By the way, I just want to make it very clear, I have got a great relationship with my sons. However, there is always a change from the time a child is this high, this big, then this high, and then this high, and the mustache comes along. There's a change in the relationship. And a man feels he's not needed anymore, and that's his way of feeling that he's growing old, and that frustration shows out in the Mehta Boys. It's about aging. It's about a man who's getting old, and it's about a young boy who's finding himself. One is on the decline, and one is on the ascendancy. He's lost. You see the movie.
Yeah, really looking forward to it this evening. And any movies that you are looking forward to besides your own in this festival?
Okay, I'm going to say something that might. But firstly, I'm looking forward to watching Masoom again after all these years. Yes. And although I've seen Rahul Chittila's Gulmohar, I'd love to see it again. And Berlin, and my Lakshmi Priya's film. I'm only hearing things about that film, and I'm so. We kind of started our careers together. Lakshmi Priya, she's standing right there. We started our careers together on Laksh, which was my 3rd or 4th film. She was the second AD. Yeah, and then 4 or 5 films she AD'd and was the first AD, and now look at her, she's gone ahead and made a film. It's apparently, Shekhar Kapoor says, it's amazing. So what can you ask for? I'm looking forward to that one. And I just feel, the beautiful part is all these directors, all these young directors, you know what I'm talking about, are supporting each other, rooting for each other. And that's the beautiful thing about being, authors, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, absolutely. And a little something about Berlin. It must not be your first time, obviously. What have you been your impressions of the city? And how it deals with art, its relationship with art?
So I came to Berlin 14 years ago first time. And believe it or not, I was staying in the same hotel for a month. We shot Dawn 2 over here with Shah Rukh. And all these corners look so familiar. We used to walk down to the Tiergarten and these restaurants and coffee shops. And I've had some beautiful memories here in Berlin. Beautiful memories. And I just feel there's a lovely full circle that's happening. And I find, from the airport to the hotel, everyone is so polite. And normally at airports, you always have somebody telling you, like you're being thrown into a prison or something. But they are warm and they are polite and they are guiding you, and even the immigration officer was so wonderful. I just love coming to Berlin. I really do. You're supposed to say good things, but I'm genuinely saying it.
Yeah, absolutely. That warms my heart because I've made it home now. So I hope you keep coming back. Thank you. Thank you so much.